Once upon a time, there was a sweet and kind-hearted princess named Snow White. Her mother died when she was born, and her father soon married another woman. Snow White's new stepmother was very beautiful, but also very wicked, and she hated her pretty stepdaughter Snow White because everyone else in the kingdom loved her so much.
Why does everyone like her? She is not as beautiful as me. I hate her.
The queen believed that if she was the most beautiful person in the kingdom, then the people and the king would love her forever, more than they loved Snow White. She had a magic mirror, and every day she asked it the same question.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?
Every day the mirror answered,
Your beauty astounds me. I swear it's true. The fairest in all of the land is you.
and so the queen was satisfied, but one day the mirror's answer changed.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? You, my queen, have beauty rare, but young Snow White is twice as fair. No, I will ask you again. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?
But the mirror's answer did not change, and the queen was very angry.
Clearly, there is only one thing to be done. Snow White must be eliminated. Huntsman,
Yes, Your Majesty.
I order you to take Snow White deep into the forest and kill her. Bring me her heart so I know you have done what I asked.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The next day, the huntsman took Snow White deep into the forest. When they were far from anyone who could help, he took out a knife. Snow White began to weep.
Oh, huntsman, please don't hurt me.
I'm sorry, Princess, but the wicked queen has ordered me to kill you and I must obey.
But why? I have never done anything to her.
She is jealous of your beauty, Snow White.
Then the huntsman made a decision. He put his knife away.
You must run far away. I will tell the queen I have killed you and then maybe you will be safe.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for letting me go.
The huntsman killed a wild boar and brought it her to the evil queen, who believed he had killed Snow White. Snow White walked far into the woods.
I'm so tired. I need a place to rest.
Snow White soon came upon a small cottage. It was empty, but there were 7 small beds inside. Snow White waited to see if anyone would return who she could ask for shelter, but she was so tired she fell asleep. When she woke up, she found 7 dwarfs surrounding her.
Oh, is this your house? I'm sorry I came in without asking. I just wanted to take a rest.
Who are you? Where did you come from?
Why are you here? I'm Snow White, my stepmother. The queen wants to kill me. I ran away and saw your house and I thought it would be a safe place to rest.
What a horrible queen.
You can stay with us, Snow White.
Yes, please stay with us, Snow White. You will be safe here.
The next day, the queen once again asked her magic mirror her question.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? My queen, your beauty is rare, it's true, but Snow White is twice as beautiful as you. What? The huntsman betrayed me? I'll destroy him.
The queen was furious. She demanded that the mirror show her Snow White. It revealed the small cottage in the woods and the dwarf heading off for the day, leaving Snow White alone.
If you want something done right, do it yourself. Snow White will pay for running away from me.
The queen's plan was the cruelest yet. She disguised herself once more and headed to the dwarf's cottage. But what Snow White did not know was the queen had poisoned only half the apple. When Snow White took a bite, she fell down as if dead.
Ha 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 ha! Finally, she is dead. Ha 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 ha!
Oh no, Snow White!
I can't wake her.
The queen has finally killed Snow White.
The dwarfs were so sad they put Snow White in a glass coffin because she was beautiful and stayed that the way even in death. They visited her each day with flowers. One day a prince rode by and saw the strange scene.
What a beautiful girl. Why is she in this glass coffin? Does she need help?
Her name is Snow White.
She was poisoned by an evil queen.
We don't know if she died, but we haven't been able to wake her.
My doctor are the best in the kingdom. Let's take her down the mountain and get help.
As the coffin was moved down the mountainside, the piece of poison apple fell out of Snow White's mouth and she walked out.
Snow White!
Are you okay?
I am fine now. Thank you for saving me.
You must be a wonderful person. If these drops care for you so much, your beauty is unrivaled. Will you be my princess?
Thank you. Yes, I will.
The prince and Snow White got married and lived happily ever after.